Most business owners think they have a marketing problem. They believe they need more ads, more followers, more traffic. But what if that's not the real issue? What if your business doesn't need more customers? It simply needs more customers who come back. Let's have a coffee conversation. Welcome back to Victor Digital. If you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, freelancer, or startup founder, you've probably spent a lot of time thinking about how to attract new customers. But here's an important question. What happens after they buy from you? Because growing a business isn't just about getting attention. It's about earning trust. Today, let's talk about why great customer service is one of the most powerful growth strategies any business can build. Many businesses know how to get a customer's first purchase. Very few know how to earn the second. Customers rarely leave because of price alone. Most leave because the experience wasn't memorable. If every interaction feels ordinary, your business becomes forgettable. A sale creates revenue. A great experience creates loyalty. And loyalty is what builds businesses that last.